Welcome, seekers of ancient mysteries and extraterrestrial wonders. Today, we're venturing into the realm of speculative history to explore a fascinating hypothesis. Did the ancient Egyptians construct the pyramids of Giza with the help of giants from another planet? Join me as we delve into this intriguing theory and examine the evidence that has captivated the imaginations of many. The pyramids of Giza, majestic, timeless, and shrouded in mystery. A wonder of the ancient world, standing tall against the sands of time. How did they do it? How did the ancient Egyptians, with their rudimentary tools and limited technology, manage to construct something so monumental? How did they build something so massive, so precise, so enduring? The construction of the pyramids is a feat that has baffled experts for generations. These questions have puzzled historians, archaeologists, and dreamers for centuries. Theories abound, but definitive answers remain elusive. The sheer scale of the pyramids, the precision of their construction, and the mysteries surrounding their purpose continue to captivate our imagination. Each stone, each angle, each alignment with the stars tells a story of a civilization that was far more advanced than we often give them credit for. Some look for answers in traditional explanations. They delve into ancient texts, study the tools and techniques that were available at the time, and try to piece together the puzzle using logic and evidence. They point to ramps, levers, and the ingenuity of human engineering. They suggest that with enough manpower, time, and determination, the ancient Egyptians could have achieved this incredible feat. But others see something more enigmatic at work. They look beyond the conventional explanations and wonder if there might be more to the story. They whisper of giants, of beings with technology beyond our comprehension. Could it be that the ancient Egyptians had help from an advanced civilization, perhaps one that has long since vanished from the earth? Could these ancient monuments be evidence of something truly extraordinary, a visit from beings not of this earth? The alignment of the pyramids with celestial bodies, the precision of their construction, and the sheer scale of the project all suggest that there might be more to the story than we currently understand. Ancient texts and scrolls hint at knowledge that seems out of place for the time. Symbols and writings that some believe point to advanced mathematics and engineering principles that were supposedly unknown to the ancient world. The ancient Egyptians were master astronomers. They mapped the stars with incredible accuracy and aligned their monuments with celestial events. Could this knowledge have been passed down from an advanced civilization, or even from visitors from another world? Some researchers propose that the tools and techniques used to build the pyramids were far more advanced than we realize. They suggest that the ancient Egyptians might have had access to technology that has been lost to history. Recent discoveries of hidden chambers and passages within the pyramids have only added to the mystery. What secrets do these ancient structures still hold? What more can we learn from them? Modern technology is helping us to uncover new clues. Advanced imaging techniques and other scientific methods are revealing details that were previously hidden. But with each new discovery, new questions arise. The riddle of the pyramids continues to intrigue and inspire. As we look to the future, we can only imagine what new discoveries await us. Will we ever fully understand the secrets of these ancient wonders? Or will they remain an enigma, a testament to the ingenuity and mystery of the human spirit? One thing is certain: the pyramids of Giza will continue to stand as a symbol of human achievement, a reminder of our quest for knowledge, and a beacon of the mysteries that still await us in the sands of time. Most scholars believe the pyramids were built by human hands. These monumental structures, standing tall against the sands of time, are a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. The construction of the pyramids has fascinated historians, archaeologists, and engineers for centuries. Theories abound, but the most widely accepted one is that they were built by a large workforce of skilled laborers and craftsmen. They point to evidence of quarrying, tools, and the organization of large labor forces. The quarries, located miles away from the pyramid sites, were the source of the massive limestone and granite blocks. These stones were meticulously cut and shaped using copper tools, which, though primitive by today's standards, were highly effective in the hands of skilled workers. The organization of labor was a feat in itself, with thousands of workers divided into teams, each with specific tasks and responsibilities. Ramps, it is argued, were used to move the massive stone blocks, gradually increasing in height as the pyramid grew. These ramps, made of mud brick and limestone chippings, were constructed at various angles and lengths to facilitate the movement of the heavy stones. The workers would drag the stones up the ramps using sledges and ropes, a process that required immense strength and coordination. As the pyramid rose, the ramps were extended and adjusted to maintain the necessary gradient for moving the stones. Copper tools, combined with ingenious techniques like wetting the sand to reduce friction, could have been used to shape and move the stones. The wetting of the sand, a simple yet effective method, helped to reduce the friction between the sledges and the ground, making it easier to drag the heavy stones. This technique, along with the use of levers and rollers, demonstrates the resourcefulness and innovation of the ancient builders. Yet, even these explanations leave room for doubt. The sheer scale and precision of the pyramids continue to baffle experts. How did the ancient Egyptians achieve such a high level of accuracy in their construction? The alignment of the pyramids with the cardinal points in certain celestial bodies suggests a deep understanding of astronomy and mathematics. The complexity of the project, from the planning stages to the actual construction, raises questions about the capabilities and knowledge of the ancient builders. Some stones weigh as much as 20 tons. Moving such colossal stones with the technology available at the time seems almost impossible. The logistics of transporting these stones from the quarries to the construction site, and then lifting them into place, is a challenge that modern engineers would find daunting. The precision with which these stones were placed, with gaps between them so small that not even a piece of paper can fit, adds to the mystery. How could humans, even with thousands of workers, move such weight with only simple tools? Theories suggest the use of levers, pulleys, and counterweights, but the exact methods remain a topic of debate. The physical effort required to move and position these stones would have been immense, and the coordination and planning needed to achieve this on such a large scale is mind-boggling. The workers, often depicted as slaves, were more likely skilled laborers who took pride in their work and were well organized and motivated. The precision of the pyramid's construction, its alignment with the stars, and the sheer scale of the project continue to raise questions. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for example, is aligned with incredible accuracy to the cardinal points. This level of precision suggests a sophisticated understanding of geometry and astronomy. The pyramids were not just tombs, they were also astronomical observatories and symbols of the pharaoh's divine power. The alignment with the stars, particularly the constellation Orion, which was associated with the god Osiris, indicates a deep spiritual and cultural significance. Could humans, even with advanced knowledge of mathematics and astronomy, have accomplished such a feat? The ancient Egyptians were remarkable mathematicians and astronomers. They used a system of measurement based on the cubit, which was remarkably consistent. Their knowledge of the stars and the movements of celestial bodies was advanced for their time. However, the question remains, how did they apply this knowledge to the construction of the pyramids? Theories range from the use of simple tools and techniques to more advanced methods that have been lost to history. The mystery of the pyramids continues to captivate and inspire, reminding us of the incredible achievements of our ancestors. In the 1960s, a new theory emerged, one that captured the public imagination. Erich von Däniken, a Swiss author, proposed that extraterrestrial beings, perhaps ancient astronauts, visited Earth in the distant past. These beings, he suggested, possessed advanced technology and knowledge, which they shared with ancient cultures, including the Egyptians. Von Däniken pointed to the pyramids as evidence of this ancient contact. He argued that the size and weight of the stones, the precision of the construction, and the astronomical alignments of the pyramids were beyond the capabilities of primitive humans. Only with the help of advanced technology, he claimed, could such monuments have been built. Those who support the theory of extraterrestrial intervention often cite the sheer size and weight of the stones used in the pyramids as evidence. They argue that the technology and knowledge required to move such enormous stones were beyond the capabilities of the ancient Egyptians. The stones, some weighing up to 80 tons, were quarried from distant locations and transported across challenging terrains. The logistics of this feat alone baffle modern engineers and historians. The Great Pyramid, for example, is composed of an estimated 2.3 million blocks of stone, some weighing as much as 80 tons. This staggering number of stones, each meticulously placed, forms a structure that has stood the test of time for thousands of years. The precision with which these stones were cut and fitted together is another point of contention. The joints between the stones are so tight that not even a razor blade can fit between them. How, they ask, could humans with only copper tools and simple machines have quarried, transported, and lifted such massive blocks? Copper, a relatively soft metal, would have worn down quickly when used on the hard stone. The ancient Egyptians are known to have used simple machines like ramps and levers, but the scale of the pyramid construction suggests that these methods alone would have been insufficient. Some theorists propose that advanced technology, possibly provided by extraterrestrial beings, was used to accomplish these tasks. They also point to the precise astronomical alignments of the pyramids. The ancient Egyptians had a deep understanding of the stars and their movements, which is evident in the alignment of their monuments. The pyramids were not randomly placed. They were carefully positioned to reflect celestial patterns. This knowledge of astronomy was not just for show, it had practical applications in their agricultural and religious practices. The three pyramids at Giza are aligned with remarkable accuracy to the stars of Orion's belt. This alignment is so precise that it has led some to believe that it was not a coincidence. The stars of Orion's belt were associated with Osiris, the god of the afterlife, in ancient Egyptian mythology. This connection suggests that the pyramids were not just tombs, but also had a deeper, spiritual significance. The alignment with Orion's belt could have been intended to guide the pharaoh's souls to the afterlife. This alignment, they argue, is too precise to be accidental, and suggests a level of astronomical knowledge beyond that of the ancient Egyptians. The precision of the alignment has led some to speculate that the ancient Egyptians had access to advanced astronomical instruments or knowledge that has since been lost. Others believe that this knowledge was imparted to them by extraterrestrial beings who visited Earth in ancient times. These beings, they argue, shared their advanced knowledge with the ancient Egyptians, enabling them to achieve feats that would have been impossible with the technology of the time. The idea of extraterrestrial intervention is not without its critics. Many scholars argue that the ancient Egyptians were capable of these feats through their ingenuity and resourcefulness. They point to evidence of advanced engineering techniques and a deep understanding of mathematics and astronomy. However, the debate continues, with proponents of the extraterrestrial theory pointing to the many unanswered questions and mysteries surrounding the construction of the pyramids. Ancient texts and hieroglyphs provide some clues, but also raise more questions. Some hieroglyphs depict what appear to be advanced technologies, leading some to speculate that these were gifts from extraterrestrial visitors. Others interpret these depictions as symbolic or mythological, rather than literal representations. The true meaning of these ancient texts remains a subject of debate and speculation. Modern scientists continue to study the pyramids, using advanced technology to uncover new information. Ground-penetrating radar, 3D scanning, and other techniques have revealed hidden chambers and passages within the pyramids. These discoveries have provided new insights into the construction methods and purposes of these ancient structures. However, many mysteries remain, and the debate over the possibility of extraterrestrial intervention continues to captivate the imagination of people around the world. Whether or not one believes in the theory of extraterrestrial intervention, the pyramids of Egypt remain a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the ancient Egyptians. They continue to inspire awe and wonder, reminding us of the incredible achievements of our ancestors. The possibility of extraterrestrial involvement adds an extra layer of mystery and intrigue, inviting us to explore the unknown and question our understanding of history. As we gaze at the stars and ponder the mysteries of the past, we are reminded of the vastness of the universe and the potential for discoveries yet to be made. The pyramids stand as a bridge between the ancient and the modern, the earthly and the celestial, inviting us to explore the boundaries of our knowledge and imagination. Whether built by human hands alone or with the help of extraterrestrial beings, the pyramids of Egypt remain one of the greatest wonders of the ancient world. Proponents of the ancient astronaut theory also find support in ancient texts and legends. They point to stories of gods who descended from the heavens, bringing knowledge and technology to humanity. The Egyptian god Thoth, for example, was said to have been a bringer of knowledge, associated with writing, mathematics, and astronomy. Some even claim that there is evidence of giants in ancient Egypt, beings of immense size and strength who could have helped to build the pyramids. They point to depictions of large beings in Egyptian art, as well as the discovery of unusually large skeletons in various parts of the world. Thank you for joining us on this speculative journey into the mysteries of pyramid construction. If you enjoyed this investigation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep exploring and uncovering the wonders of our past.